Morning, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah man, big up on yourself. Now Larry's here. Let's change up the settings, look a bit still. Rod my Kiara. I think Chris is here. Yeah, Chris. Yep, Chris is here. So we're changing up the settings a little bit, guys. A little river settings. Guys, look at this. Look how beautiful this is, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah man, we'll get a river setting to them, man. Come off our ocean. So what we are doing, we are looking for snooks, people. There's snooks in these waters, jacks, and tarpons. So let's get out there on that river, guys. Look at that cast. Woo-wee! Hot doggy cast. Water's clear, guys. We got a little bit of bamboo debris in there. Black lure looks like it's swimming through this water perfect. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run this coast. I'm gonna run this line. Yes, perfect drop. Look at that, guys. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on.
I think you should take him on.
Woohoo! Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Look at that. Fish on this morning, guys. Let me get this camera off. Let's get into this, guys. I want to get into this. Look at that lure catch, guys. Snook this morning, Jamaican shore fishing. The first cast, guys. Look at that. Mud. That's dinner. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Calm down. As Chris would say, you're dead off. Yeah, man. Woo. I'm dead, Chris. Look at you. Joke with the bone. That's what I'm afraid of, you know. Mr. Snook. I don't like doing this. Ross in tear off when I'm hooking him out, you know. And tear off when I'm hooking him out, you know. Look here, Chris. Good boy. Hmm? Straight in my cooler. I don't think I rinse you no further. That's why, yo, it is important on your lure that your rings, your lock rings, there's these forgot the name, terminology for them. You gotta make sure they're right, guys. And that's why I carry a pliers inside my thingy so I can fix these hooks when I'm ready. Alright, let me get my pliers, fix my lure. Yeah, man. Good hit on the black lure, man. Good choice of colors this morning. I just put these back in here just now, this morning. Hey guys. Yep. Get a new one on there. Get this lure back in the water. Not like saying, oh shit. Not like saying I can't change lures at any time, but let's just get this. Yeah, I know, it is. Alright, let's get this lure. There's a ring on there, guys. Boom. This is what's up. Even though this one's kind of big, should have put a smaller one, but I'll work this one for now. He hit that lure with explosion, man. Oh no. Thank you, Chris. You just gave me my drugs today, bro. All right. Got that ring back on there, even though I put a little bit bigger ring than normal, guys. Let's hopefully that low profile is not going to be affected. All right.
Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. Welcome back to the channel again. The cooking part, guys. Yes, I had one of my viewers ask me if I actually eat any of the fish that I catch. The answer is yes, I do, guy. I actually do. And I just caught this bad boy down on the river, and I'm definitely adding a few little notches in there for the seasoning to soak in here. Have them gutted and cleaned up pretty good. So what we're gonna do, we get this guy over here. Let me get the next part. Drop a few notches here too. Yeah, guys. This is how we do it. Jamaican shore fishing. I'm gonna get some seasoning. Some season up. Just touch them up lightly, guys, because I don't want to overdo it. I'm escalation this guy. So I'm just gonna use some Maggi seasoning up. This is something that I don't use heavy, guys. Lightly. You don't want to overdo it and salt the fish too much, guys. Just basically touch them up real quick here. Get inside here pretty decent. Yeah, guys. So we're in the kitchen, obviously, guys, and everything's sterile here. I like to add a little black pepper, guys. Give it that flavor. So that's it, guys. We add a little black pepper on that, and now we're ready for the frying pan. And that's it. That's seasoning for our snook. So, guys, we're gonna get this bad boy fried up. Let's go. Stay tuned. Let's get our frying pan started. Here, guys, next step, we're gonna add a little bit of oil to here. Good amount of oil in there. And get this thing hot. I want to get it to a nice temperature, guys. Yeah, guys, so before I do anything else, guys, I tend to like adding a crushed clove of garlic and a piece of pepper to my oil. So we're gonna add pepper and a piece of garlic to that oil, guys, when we fry this up. So that's what we do here, guys. Try not to burn my camera. Now we're gonna get our fish and drop them in here, guys. Get our next section. Yeah guys, this is Jamaican shore fishing. Trying up our snook here guys. Come on. Fresh snook off the water guys. As you've seen, I just caught this guy not even an hour ago. I got this guy on the fire already. This is what's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah man. So guys, what we basically doing here guys is frying this till one side is golden brown, and then we're gonna flip it and repeat the same process. Alright guys, big up yourself. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel guys. Isn't it? Out there. I need a bowl. Let's get one of these small bowls. I need some pepper guys. Here you see me slicing some Scotch bonnet pepper, and that's for our escabeche. And because we're making one fish guys, decent sized fish, I'm not going to make so much. So alright guys, slice these round, thin slices. Careful. Oh, so this is what we're doing guys. So with this now, let's get this over here to the stove. Get that in the vinegar guys. So now, here guys, now that we have this pepper and onions in the vinegar, make that simmer a little bit. Ouch, that hurt. Check on our fish. Here guys, does it?